Hello and welcome to a presentation of Vistasculpt. I'm importing a picture now and the software asks you to enhance the picture, so that's what I'm doing. And after it's enhanced, takes a few seconds for it to enhance it, depending on your computer. Now it's enhanced, you can see two different pictures and you press OK or yes. And then what I do now is I go and change the depth on the right side, and then I go down and change the smoothness, so I get less smoothness. And then I go to change the details and I draw it up to full. And here you can see you can change the resolution for the generation. So when you generate the picture, you can the 3D model, you can change from low, medium, high and ultra. And here it is generated. And you can see how I move it around. You can see the depth in it. And then I now put the texture on top of it. So it takes the picture and puts it on top of it to get more details. And what you do after that, you take these files, both the picture and the model, export them, and then you take them to your software like Vectric Aspire, and then you import the model first, and then afterwards you take the picture and puts it on top of it and create a 3D component of the imported picture, and then you adjust the depth of the detail. So you can play around with that so you get the best details you want. Thank you for watching.